Hi, I'm Eddie from Toolden and I'm here with Tom from Makita UK. He's going to be showing us the DMC300, which is the 18-volt cut-off saw.
Okay, so the DMC300, quite a niche machine, this one, part of our LXT range. It's a brushless machine, so it's really quite efficient. Now this machine, it's a very nice and small, sort of multi-cut-off wheel, if you like. Okay, so you've got several applications you can do with this. It's a 76mm diameter disc that you place on this, and you do have several options. You've got the tungsten carbide wheel there, you've got a diamond wheel for like your ceramics, tiles and things like that, and then you've got your abrasive cut-off for like thin sheet metal and things like that. Capacity of cutting, you can get 60mm depth of cut with this one, and you can get this dust cover as well, which clicks on really nice and easy, just like so. And with that, you actually get 13.5mm depth of cut into the various materials that we just mentioned there. You've got depth adjustment control at the back of that dust cover there as well. And a cool feature about this one, actually, you do have an option for forward and reverse on there as well, so you can deflect the sparks however you so wish, as well as angle adjustments on there as well, which are preset on the guard. So it's really quite user-friendly, multitude of applications. It's really designed for the automotive industry and for people like plumbers, electricians, to get into those tight spaces, to cutting off those copper pipes or anything like that. So yeah, quite a versatile little bit of kit, especially with that dust guard and the option of several 76mm wheels.
Can you just tell us, does it have any constant sort of speed?
Okay, yeah, so this machine does have constant speed, you are right. Okay, so most machines, when you make contact with the material, it's going to want to slow down. Not with this one. As soon as you make contact with that material, it's going to keep up with the demand that you're giving it, really.
What about the AFT?
AFT, so this machine does also come with the AFT, which stands for Active Feedback Sensing Technology. It's a great question. What that does is if the spindle speed suddenly slows down or changes for some reason, it's got caught in some debris or something may have happened, then the machine is going to stop. That not only protects the machine, but it does protect you as well. So yeah, quite a lot of technology and innovation has gone into this machine, the DMC300. Fantastic bit of kit.
Just grab yours today from toolden.co.uk.